Hi, I am Ayushi Verma and I am a UI UX designer at Xcube Labs. I started here as an intern in 2023 and later transitioned into a full-time role. Over time, my role has grown beyond just designing screens. I'm involved in the full design process from research to brainstorming to design reviews and improving the overall user experience. My day usually starts with understanding the problem and project goals. Then I do user research, explore ideas and design different solutions. I also collaborate with developers during handoff and later review the implementation to make sure that the final product matches the intended experience. Working at Xcube Labs has changed the way I think about design. Earlier, I focused mostly on visuals, but now I see design more as a problem solving and improving user experience. Working with different teams also helped me understand the product side of design and think more from a user perspective. One project that stands out for me is Panini America revamp. The platform was being redesigned after so many years, so it was a great opportunity to rethink the experience. We focused on making the platform more intuitive and engaging, especially for browsing products, purchases, and support flows. Seeing the final product and positive user response was really rewarding. When I joined, I had basic knowledge in Figma and Adobe tools, but now I'm much more confident in using them. I've also improved my problem-solving skills and collaboration skills, learned tools like Jira, and gained exposure to AI tools that support the design process. I would say Xcube Labs is really good place to learn and grow. I started here as an intern and later became a full-time UI UX designer. You get opportunities to work on real projects, explore different areas of design, collaborate with teams and build both design and product thinking skills.